Okay, so going to go over today's session. I took a total of 7 trades, I think. 7 trades. Over traded heavily. Um, really should have only got into what? One, two, three trades max. These trades were rushed into. I'll go over each and every one. So, started the session. Looking for buys, honestly. I, I I was looking at price when it got here to this area, sweep this area of liquidity, and then began pushing down. I could have shorted from here all the way down to here because I was confident price was getting down here, but I didn't. I waited for my setup. I saw price get down here, swept all of this liquidity which I had marked out before the session, and I entered for a buy. This was a good trade setup to me, honestly. But what did price do? Price ended up and I had this area below where price broke structure and didn't really retest on the higher time frame. We could look at the 5 minute. We probably won't see that retest. Yeah, you don't see that retest or tap back into that zone where price broke through before. So I wanted to see price tap down here and also act as a sweep of liquidity. So I saw price sweep liquidity and I entered on that. That was my um I wanted to see this, but seeing this strong sweep right here gave me enough confirmation. So price ended up coming down. Uh, it came all the way down to the area I wanted to see price actually get to. Tapping this area. Then it pushed up. That's when I entered. That's when price rallied all the way up. I had this TP at first, but I did want to have my TP up here at Asian highs, but I did just minimize my TP. Could have been all the way up here. But considering, let's see, we were kind of ranging beforehand, so I didn't really want to have a crazy TP. You know, hindsight, we didn't know price pushed up, but that doesn't matter. It's not gonna get greedy. But after, right, I was looking for re-entries. I was looking for price to break through, and price just kept pumping for like 30 to 9 for around 30 minutes. Price was just pumping, right? And I just had to watch. So I was just waiting for price to pull down. Eventually saw a pull down, but not. I wanted to see price pull down to this area where it broke the highs during Asian, right, or Asian highs. So I didn't see that. I saw price pull up, so I thought, hey, we're probably not gonna get that pull, that deep pull down I want to see. So I just entered on this Fibonacci setup right here. Price pulled up, but unfortunately came back down, stopped me out, and I thought I saw this as a liquidity sweep, as you can see here, with this area right here. Price swept that, then pushed up. I got a really late entry here, still entered. It's TP all the way up here. Not sure why I had it all the way up there. I think I was just shooting for a 1 to 3 or something. Horrible trade. But then we saw my A plus setup. Price got all the way down here, wicked up, closed a candlestick up. I entered on here, TP back to match these highs, and price rallied up some more. And what was this entry? I don't think this was an entry. I think it was just something I'm looking at. But I also entered again here, banking on price going all the way up. Really not the smartest. We do hindsight see price do that, but after pulling down more and rebalancing, right? But so yeah, so um, I rushed into this trade. Definitely should have just took my profits and left. This trade, I'm not mad at. This is a good trade. This trade, really good trade. This trade, bad trade. Decent trade, decent, but it wasn't what I wanted to see. So I could have avoided that loss, right? Definitely could have avoided that loss because it wasn't what I wanted to see to have high conviction. So next time, I'm not gonna take it unless I want to see it, right? That the trade that I want to see, I could risk way more than taking 3 trades with things I don't want to see and then not risking as much because it's like, yo, I don't have confidence in this, you know. And this trade, not a bad trade, but late entry, so it really is a bad trade. considering such a late entry. This trade, great trade, great trade. Just saw price rally straight up after um, tapping down into the area where I wanted to see price get to. So that was a really good trade. I'm gonna be transparent. I do have after I got my first payout, I invested in more accounts. Um, I ended up blowing my funded, which is why I had to lock back in and create a trading plan and everything because I'm like, yo, I can't allow this to happen, right? Like days like this shouldn't happen. Like I realistically only should have taken these four trades: one, two, three, and four. Right, and I entered here because I saw that price push up, pull down, came to area of probability, it showed confirmation, so I entered. That wasn't a bad trade in my opinion. But this trade, bad trade. We saw price break structure here, and just not be able to just rally all the way up. So yeah, so saw good structure here, good, literally exactly what I wanted to see. Saw exactly what I wanted to see here as well. And yeah, so that's. I also have four funded accounts with Lucid Trading. Or yeah, it's Lucid Trading, but yeah, we're gonna just keep trading, keep being consistent, and um, yeah, just sticking to my bias, honestly. And I don't think we have news tomorrow, do we? Um, during the morning, we definitely have a good amount of news coming out. Yeah, a lot of low impact, but it's still gonna have a strong impact. 24th, yeah. Gonna have some strong impacts, but we'll see what happens. But yeah, that was basically the trades for today. Ended up being profitable today, so that's good. But definitely could have done better if I stayed more consistent with my setups and was actually more patient. So need to be more patient. Need to understand that price is going to do what it wants. And sometimes even if I don't want to be patient with the trade, take off like half the size and just let the rest run, something like that. But yeah, that's basically it. So yeah, we'll see tomorrow.